Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at your places. Children, before we start our online class, I want to let you know one thing. Students, this is the new edition of science book and we will do our syllabus as per this book only. So kindly get this new edition of science book and let us start our first chapter now. So children, our first chapter is our body systems. Children, if we want to construct a building, the first thing which comes in our mind is bricks, because buildings are made up of bricks. Just as a building is made up of bricks, our body is made up of small structures called cells. Cells are building blocks of our body. Many cells join together to form a tissue, and many tissues join together to form an organ like kidney, stomach, heart, liver, etc. And many organs join together to form an organ system. For example, digestive system, circulatory system, etc. And number of organ systems join together and function together to form organism. Organism means human beings. Children, when few organs work together to carry out a major function for the body, they form an organ system. There are various organ systems in our body, and in this chapter we will learn about 8 important systems of our body, which are the skeletal system, the muscular system, the nervous system, the circulatory system, the respiratory system, the digestive system, the reproductive system, and the excretory system. So student, first of all, we will talk about the skeletal system. The skeletal system comprises of a bony frame. It gives shape and support to our body. Framework of bones also protects our internal organs. For example, our skull protects our brain, and our rib cage, this is rib cage, protects our lungs, heart, etc. We can stand, move, sit because of bones. There are 206 bones in our body. So children, what we have learned about the skeletal system? It gives shape and support to our body, and framework of bones also protects our internal organs. Now the next one is the muscular system. Muscular system is made up of muscles. Muscles are attached to the bones. Muscles help in body movement, means body movements are possible because of the muscles and bones in our body. There are more than 500 muscles in our body. So students, what we have learned? The muscular system made up of muscles. Muscles are attached to the bones, and muscles help in body movement. So students, we will continue this chapter in our next video. Till then, be safe and stay at home.